a closer look at the Jib True 2 right out of the box.
I'll show you the product close up with detail and also its features. This kit includes a USB charger cable, it also comes with extra earbud covers in different sizes. The blue light indicates that it's pairing with a device. Inside, you'll see that there are two magnetic prongs that help charge the earbuds. The red lights are indicating that it's charging. Also included is the instructions on how to set it up, which is pretty simple, easy steps. Here are the simple button controls, along with a help guide, just in case you have any trouble trying to connect it to your Bluetooth device. It charges in no time and has a long battery life.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.